Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where we will be looking at how you can clear a field value for each individual field and how you can also clear the entire form in one go. Now let me just play the app because I have enabled this for the main phone field but not for the account name. So let's say if I deliberately make a mistake and I want to clear this, I either have to go back by pressing backspace or I have to select the entire thing and remove it, right? Now if I try to enter some phone, as you can see, I have a clear button right there, pressing which the entire field will be clear. So let's see how this can be done. So if I just close this, what I have to do is select the text input, that is the data card value, and on the right hand side in the properties I can see a property called as clear button, which is turned off, and for the main phone it is turned on. So that is what enables the clear button to be available to you to use. So let's enable it for account. Let me save it and let's run the app again, and let's say if I enter some data, so I don't need to go back or select the whole thing, I can just press it and it will all be cleared. Same for phone as well. For each independent field this will be available, right? But let's consider this scenario that you have entered the entire form information and you want to clear everything in one go, right? It's not convenient to select every field and clear it, so use this reset button instead. So in my case I have used an icon to represent the reset form button, and on the select of that I have written a formula. So here are the icons. You can maybe just put a button if you want, and on the select of that I have entered the formula reset form and then the name of the form. This will clear the entire form. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful for you. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.